హాయ్ హలో అండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు క్లాసిక్ టైమ్స్ విత్ ప్రవీణ. అర్జున్ రెడ్డి ఎక్కడ చూసినా ఈ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి టీజర్ చాలా చాలా హైప్ క్రియేట్ చేసేసింది. సో టుడే ఐ హ్యావ్ విత్ మీ ది హీరో ఆఫ్ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి విజయ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ది డైరెక్టర్ సందీప్ రెడ్డి గారు. అర్జున్ రెడ్డి టీజర్ చూసాము, చాలా క్యూరియాసిటీ బిల్డ్ చేశారు మీరు. ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు నో మెనీ థింగ్స్ అబౌట్ ద ఫిల్మ్ టుడే. ఈ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అనే క్యారెక్టర్ డిజైన్ చేయడంలో what was that thing that drive you towards this characterization of Arjun Reddy?
It was a very interesting journey for me because Arjun Reddy is nothing like how I am in real life. But I think Arjun Reddy is someone I wish I was. When I heard the story, నాకు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది అంటే అరే ఈ లైఫ్ I should have lived. It's such a fulfilling, అంటే it's so packed. That guy lived a good life. Good as in it's not a completely happy life, but it's a memorable. అంటే ఒకరికి చెప్పుకోవచ్చు ఇలా అయింది ఒక స్టోరీ. It was full. It was like a film, his life, and because it's based from a true story, for me it was extremely interesting to play because everything is very real. I knew that a very real performance that people will connect to, and it's a love story. So we've all experienced snippets of Arjun Reddy love story line chinna way all of us have experienced in our life, so people will understand and get it. And so far I think till date I would say Pelli Choopulu was my best performance. I think with this film I will take it forward. I think this by far has been and probably will be for a time the performance. It was a very satisfying experience.
సో పెళ్లి చూపుల్లో బాయ్ నెక్స్ట్ డోర్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేశారు. అర్జున్ రెడ్డి టీజర్ చూస్తేనేమో చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది ఫ్రమ్ దట్ రోల్. సో సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్ లోనే మీరు ఒక చిన్న వేరియేషన్ తో వస్తున్నారు.
Yeah, he's the boy you don't want next door.
Oh.
Do you want him next door? Actually cool ఉంటదేమో అర్జున్ రెడ్డి మన నెక్స్ట్ డోర్.
అంటే టీజర్ చూస్తేనేమో ఇలాంటి అబ్బాయి ఉండడేమో నెక్స్ట్ డోర్ లో అనిపిస్తుంది. మరి ఫిలిం చూస్తే మాకు ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది ఎలా ఉంటే. సో విజయ్ చెప్తున్నారు దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ బై ఎ ట్రూ స్టోరీ అని చెప్పి. సో మీరు ఈ స్టోరీలో ఈ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అనే క్యారెక్టర్ ని ఎలా మీరు క్రియేట్ చేశారు, అంటే ఎలా ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యారు ఈ క్యారెక్టర్?
I mean, generally what happens is when you're writing characterizations and all, it will just strike like that. And based on true story, because I was surrounded in few situations where this guy was surrounded. I mean, Arjun Reddy was surrounded. So it was, whenever a writer writes a story, a personal infliction will come out. So, given being in that kind of background, so it was easy for me to create that character and, be with the character and write very realistically. So that's how it happened. It was not like inspiration kind, but it's more like an instinct thing. So
మీరు ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ రాసేటప్పుడే విజయ్ గారిని మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకుని రాసారా?
No, mind lo pettukoni raaledu, because after writing it I thought, after seeing Everyday Subramaniam, then I thought like this guy would be the right fit for the character.
సో విజయ్, మేము టీజర్ లో చూస్తేనేమో ఒక పక్కన టీచర్ ఇస్ ప్రైజింగ్ యూ దట్ యూర్ ఎ వండర్ఫుల్ స్టూడెంట్ అని. హౌ ఆర్ యూ యాజ్ అ స్టూడెంట్ వెన్ యూ వర్ స్టడీయింగ్?
I was a good student. I did fairly well throughout school and college. I was a very carefree child. Schooling lo ఉన్నప్పుడు I was a very carefree child. పెద్ద పట్టించుకోకపోతే I should just be happy in my space. ఆడుకుంటూ అట్లా పెద్దగా చదువుకోకుండా I would write and still do well. But yeah, I did get kicked out of school because I was up to too many things I wasn't supposed to do according to my school. అంటే ఓ పిల్లోడ్ లెవెల్కి ఏమేమి చేయొద్దు అవి చేస్తే ఇంకా నన్ను పంపించేసాను.
చిన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుదాం అనుకున్నారు మీరు? వెన్ యు వర్ ఎ కిడ్ అంటే ఉంటుంది కదా, పెద్దాక నేను డాక్టర్ అవ్వాలో పోలీస్ అవ్వాలో అట్లా ఏమనుకున్నారు?
My earliest memory of wanting to be something was to be a bus driver or be a bus driver. Yeah, I wanted to be I was very fascinated by bus drivers, conductor. నేను మా తమ్ముడు కూర్చొని we used to play the bus driver game. అంటే ఇట్లా జనాలను పికప్ చేసుకొని టికెట్లు అమ్ముతున్నట్టు ఇట్లా.
అంటే అది మరి ఓల్డ్ వెన్ యువర్ మరి చైల్డ్ అయినప్పుడు కదా, వెరీ యంగ్.
ఫస్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్, సెకండ్ స్టాండర్డ్.
తర్వాత
I think every guy wants to be a cop sometime in his life. And eventually acting loki vachesamo.
సో ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఏదైనా పోలీస్ రోల్ చేయాలి వస్తే?
No man, I don't think I'll play a cop. నా ఎందుకో కొంచెం అన్రియల్ ఉంటారు మన కాప్స్. I personally like cinema which is very real. As a personal choice, నాకు అంటే ఇది నిజంగా జరిగింది అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. ఆర్ ఎవ్రీ మూవీ ఈజ్ నాట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ సంథింగ్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్. చాలా ఫిక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ద ఫిక్షన్ ఫీల్స్ లైక్ సంథింగ్ దట్ కుడ్ హ్యాపెన్, అరే ఇలాంటి ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరగవచ్చు, ఇలాంటి లవ్ స్టోరీ జరగవచ్చు, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ వెరీ రియల్ ఐ వుడ్ లవ్ టు డూ ఇట్. ఐ డోంట్ సీ మై సెల్ఫ్ యాజ్ అ కాప్ సమ్హౌ.
సందీప్ గారు, అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అని పేరు పెట్టడానికి ఏదైనా స్పెసిఫిక్ రీజన్ ఉందా?
See, what happens is like when we're studying in a college, when we join as a fresher, we always listen to stories about legendary characters, about some seniors. And the recall value is always with the surname attached to it. So it sounds very realistic when all of a sudden your immediate senior is talking about a super senior. So there's always that off factor for that senior. So that's why I felt like it has to be real when you're talking about a story happening in a campus. I thought like Arjun is already a powerful name. Adding a caste name or a surname would give a little more realistic impact. So AR ane shabdalu, they are very powerful, it sounds.
Basically, everyone knows me also by Vijay Devarakonda. It's my surname. ఈ క్యారెక్టర్కి ఇట్ కుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ అర్జున్ రావ్, అర్జున్ కృష్ణ, అర్జున్ ఎనీథింగ్, ద స్టోరీ డజంట్ చేంజ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సేమ్. But while writing it, decided that Arjun Reddy was the name. So it could have been anything. We just put that. It has nothing to do necessarily with the film. It's about this character called Arjun Reddy. His name, you can change it to anything. The story remains.
But still he fits into it.
Yeah, he fits into it. It's like one boy's story. But when he told me the title, నాకు narration చెప్పినప్పుడు, he already had this title. I really liked it. And lots of people ask, ఎందుకు ఇట్లా రెడ్డి పెడుతున్నారు, మళ్ళా కాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఎందుకు? I think that's the most hypocritical question to ask when each one of us if you shouldn't look at ఈ caste where, for me, I'm not a Reddy, but నాకు I don't feel like I'm promoting Reddy or Velma or Chowdhury or all these things. I don't feel. I look at it as just a name. So I didn't have any issue. I thought it sounded nice. Let's do it. And that's what the character was called. Atla chesnam. Only when you have all these feelings, already manaku ee caste itla ilanti feeling lu unna vallake ee perlu inte aa feeling vastadi. So the people who ask these questions are the people who have lots of feelings about caste and stuff. But I think generally in film, yeah,
క్యాచీగా ఉంటుంది, పర్సన్స్ నేమ్
catchy.
Exactly, yeah. And at the same time, it's very powerful. I mean, if you see A.R. Rahman, A.R. Rana Daggubati, RT, it sounds very powerful. So, కొన్ని అక్షరాలతో పక్కన ఉన్నప్పుడు అది సౌండ్ మార్క్. సో దట్ ఈస్ మేజర్ రీజన్ యాడింగ్ రెడ్డి టు ఇట్. ఇట్ హస్ నథింగ్ టు డూ. ఐ మీన్ సినిమాలో లాగా నా పేరు అర్జున్ రెడ్డి రా అట్లాంటిది ఏం లేదు ఇక్కడ. నథింగ్, నోవేర్.
సో ఈ ఫిలిం ఒక లవ్ స్టోరీ అంటున్నారు. సో ఎలాంటి ట్రీట్మెంట్ చూడొచ్చు? అంటే రెగ్యులర్ గా వచ్చే లవ్ స్టోరీస్ లా ఉంటుందా, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా డిఫరెంట్ ట్రీట్మెంట్?
It would be like anybody's love story. It's very real. It's very tangible in terms of the people, how they are behaving with each other. And it is not at all filmy. I feel like we are so much used to filmy expressions. I mean, స్కూల్లో కూడా కాలేజ్లో కూడా చూస్తే ఏమైందిరా ప్రపోజ్ చేసినావు, ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పినావా, ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పిందా, దట్ నెవర్ హ్యాపెన్స్. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టెడ్. వీ స్కూల్ ఇట్ అప్ ఆల్మోస్ట్. But we tried to be very much real.
I think if you had a love story in life ever, I think the treatment to this love story is the same. Any of our love story ela undeno, veela love story kuda alane unde. The thing that makes this a bit more special is the two characters who are in love, Arjun and the heroine, are koncham unique. That's why their love story seems more interesting than ours, because while personalities were very unique. When he gave me a narration, I connected to the love story, but the characters, this Preeti ane ammai, Arjun, వాళ్ళ క్యారెక్టర్లు చాలా, their personality, వాళ్ళ behavior is very unique. That makes them special. That makes their love story want to be said and heard. Yeah.
సో ఈ ప్రీతి అనే క్యారెక్టర్ని ఎవరు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Shalini. Name is Shalini. She is a Jabalpur theatre artist. Yeah, she's doing it. I mean, the scenes, chemistry is like mind blowing. After a very long time, you will find that kind of chemistry on screen. I can promise that much for this film. So you feel like the real people are doing it. So that is what when people are asking me, there are kissing scene, we are not feeling like that. We are feeling like we are presenting an emotion.
It's presenting an emotion in love.
People in love kiss. That's what I hope people in love are do.
సో టీజర్లోనూ చూసాము, అలాగే మీరు రిలీజ్ చేసిన పోస్టర్లోనూ చూసాము. సో ఇలాంటి ఇంటిమేట్ సీన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు అంటే ఎలాంటి ఛాలెంజెస్ ఉంటాయి?
I didn't find any sort of challenge.
సో మీరు స్పెషల్గా ఈ మూవీ చూస్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు హీరోయిన్ సెలెక్షన్లో మీరు ఏమన్నా వర్ యూ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద సెలెక్షన్?
I was never involved in the selection, but I would be shown, like when he's considering, I want to cast this girl. We are like the actors are a director's muse. It's his baby, he's telling it through us. So it's very important that all of us like each other, and only then it's like an 80-day period where you have to be in love. When you're playing a love story, I need to be in love with the heroine. And we connected on the story extremely. So when he showed me, we needed to see Preeti. మా అందరికి ఒక విజన్ ఉండే ప్రీతి అనగానే. So he would just show me. All I am concerned is about ఆ అమ్మాయి మంచిగా యాక్ట్ చేస్తుందా లేదా అని, because it makes my job easy. Otherwise it disturbs me. And she's a brilliant performer. థియేటర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి వచ్చింది కాబట్టి I think it will be memorable. This story, this performances will be memorable.
మీరు పెళ్లి చూపులు ఫిలిం తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక కొత్త డైరెక్టర్తోనే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, సందీప్ గారితో. ఈజ్ దర్ ఎనీ రీజన్ దట్ అగైన్ యూ వర్కింగ్ విత్ న్యూ డైరెక్టర్?
His story was the reason when I chose Arjun Reddy. Any future films I will do with him the reason will be him. The first time I didn't know him, so the story was purely reason. Now because I know him so well.
సందీప్ గారు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో ఈ ఫిలిం కంప్లీట్ చేశారు?
80 days.
80 days. Any memorable incident in the entire shoot?
There are too many memories.
Yeah.
This interview would not be enough.
At least one or two that మేము విన్నాము. అంటే ముసోరీ ప్లేస్లో మీరు -7 degrees టెంపరేచర్లో వర్క్ చేశారు. సో
They could explain it better. What -7 degrees?
There is one particular scene that we were shooting. He found this really beautiful location. Like the entire film has stunning locations, but he found this very specific beautiful location at the edge of a hill in Mussoorie. And for somehow, due to continuity, interior nunchi outdoor eltada scene, and I'm in like a thin shirt. And the heroine is in one salwar kameez kind of thing, and we are having one big dialogue thing. It's in the evening and the temperatures drop to -2, -3, and akada chala, because it's on the edge of a hill, there's lots of breeze. And it's a lengthy conversational scene. నాకు పెద్దగా చెప్పడానికి ఏం లేదు. I have one dialogue and I'm listening to her talk to me. మన వాళ్ళందరూ 5-6 లేయర్లు వేసుకొని ఉన్నారు, మేము ఒక షర్ట్ మీద ఉన్నాం. లిటరలీ మై బోన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్, మై స్కెలిటన్ ఇస్ షివరింగ్. బయట నేను ఐఎమ్ కంట్రోలింగ్, బట్ మై స్కెలిటన్ ఇస్ షివరింగ్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావ్ టు రెస్పాండ్ టు హర్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ లైక్ then is coming, Vijay, please don't shiver, man. I'm like, నువ్వు మంచి ఎన్ని లేయర్లు వేసుకొని డోంట్ షివర్ అని ఎట్లా అంటావు? ఆ పిల్ల కూడా ఇట్లా what we had to do, and you don't have కట్ అనగానే we don't have time to wear 4 layers and when they're ready remove. So whenever he called cut, immediately me and the heroine had to hug to keep ourselves warm. So మేమిద్దరం ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని
You were more in a vibration mode.
yeah, so just to keep ourselves warm we had to do that. But the entire journey, story చెప్పినప్పటి నుంచి till releasing the teaser has been extremely memorable. I think we remember each and everything very clearly. ekkada kalsamu, etla katinamu. During our story discussion we met 2 students who had watched Yevaday and really liked the film, who became our ADs. So we remember the entire journey of how we made this, and it's a really personal thing for all of us. We would share. It was a lot of give and take emotion wise, which ante every film, every director works differently. For me this is the first time we were working in this way, and I really liked how it went.
సో మీ విజన్ ఈ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అనేది, సో కాస్టింగ్ అంతా మీరు అనుకున్నట్టు అంటే దే వర్ ఆల్ ఫిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద రూల్స్?
Yeah, because 3 years back I thought about Kanchana, but it was tough to get a number under, but finally got.
మేము కూడా చాలా సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత ఆవిడ చూడబోతున్నాము ఆన్ స్క్రీన్, కాంచనా గారిని.
After 34 years.
ఎస్, బిఫోర్ లాంగ్ ఇయర్స్.
సో ఆవిడతో అంటే అప్పటి కాలం ఆవిడ కదా అన్నమాట. ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ హర్,
it was good. We thought like it will be very traditional to talk, behavior and all, but she was like not like that. I mean, you would not believe that she's 76. The way she walks and the way she talks and the kind of adjectives she uses in between the speech.
She speaks some impeccable English.
Yeah.
You should see her grammar. She speaks
Telugu,
so
Tamil,
many languages.
Malayalam, Kannada, all languages. She's multilinguistic. Entirely, it was good experience.
And the character she plays is like the coolest grandmother you will see, and the Nanamma Manvadu scenes are like the grandson grandmother scenes are beautiful. Something no one will expect to see Kanchana in. And she was also so cool to play it, and it's not the traditional what she's used to or what people would have offered her, something very different. But I think that's what excited her to play something so different and unique. And Nagath, it was I really enjoyed. నాకు స్టోరీ చెప్పినప్పుడు అన్నాడు, when he gave me the narration also, he gave me narration saying నాకు కాంచనమ్మ ఈ రోల్కి కాంచనమ్మ గారు అలాంటి ఉమెన్ కావాలి, ideally her. But somehow he got her, even though no one knew where she was living, no one knew her number, nothing. We spent days together. He had to speak to her a lot. We had to go down to Chennai, talk to her. Like suddenly వచ్చి నన్ను ఎందుకు, so many of my contemporaries are acting.
Yes.
Why don't you go to them? But we knew why we wanted her. We knew we wanted her for a very specific reason. We explained that reason and she liked the reason. And
that's really nice, and your conviction that you want to portray her in the character.
Yeah, but you know, it happened. And more than my conviction, it was like it just place lo vachi padindi ante atla kudirindi.
Yeah, even Kanchanamma believes like that, no? She'll be like, if God wills it, I will be on here. We went to Chennai and we had a big conversation and we were like, so మేము మా ముఖాలు చూసుకుంటాం అంటే ఇప్పుడు చేస్తున్నారా చేయట్లేదా. అండ్ ఫైనలీ కాంచనమ్మ గారు, సో మేము విల్ కాల్ యూ విత్ ద షూట్ షెడ్యూల్ అంటే షెల్ బి లైక్, ఇఫ్ గాడ్ విల్స్ ఇట్ ఐ విల్ బి దేర్ ఆన్ యువర్ సెట్ అంటే.
ఈ అర్జున్ రెడ్డి అనే క్యారెక్టర్ టీజర్ లో చూస్తే చాలా అగ్రెసివ్ గా ఉన్నానండి. అగ్రెసివ్. సో అంటే ఇప్పుడు జనరల్గా యంగ్స్టర్స్ కూడా కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళే యంగ్స్టర్స్ అదే మూడ్లో ఉంటారు జనరల్గా. సో దానికి ఏదన్నా అంటే స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎనీ అంటే తన లైఫ్లో జరిగిన ఏదైనా ఇన్సిడెంట్ వల్ల అలా అగ్రెసివ్వా లేకపోతే?
Generally people are like that. Few are aggressive, few are like...
I was really happy, very soft. I am not aggressive at all. Not at all. During this film, if cinema shoot చేస్తూ I have become a bit aggressive because it's that guy's aggression rubbed off onto me. Majorly. Yeah, that's because of this character that rubbed off on me. Otherwise, I'm like a really chill guy. And Arjun Reddy...
more like చాలా జోవియల్ గా మీరైతే లంచ్ అదే మూడ్ క్యారీ చేస్తున్నారు సీరియస్ గా.
Maybe because of the specs.
Yeah, but yeah, the Arjun Reddy character is like that because that guy is like that. And
మీరు ఎప్పుడు చిన్నప్పుడు గొడవలు పడడం కానీ నలుగురిని కొట్టడం కానీ?
and till now I have not hit one person in my life. Have I? No.
వంటలు బాగా చేస్తారా?
No. I can't cook.
చెక్ కూడా ఏదో వచ్చింది దాంట్లో.
I can't cook to save my life.
సార్ ఇంకా అర్జున్ రెడ్డి గురించి మనము మాట్లాడితే మ్యూజిక్ ఎలా వచ్చిందండి?
Music is good, turned out to be very good. We got some 7 tracks, 7 songs. 3 are like very small songs, the other 4 are like 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. And yeah, music is very soothing and going with the mood and the scene of the film. So yeah, music is good. I mean, market manchiga anpichindi.
I love the tracks.
సో అబ్రాడ్ కూడా వెళ్ళారు మీరు షూటింగ్కి?
Italy వెళ్ళాం. There is a scene, there's a very important scene where friends meet, and after that there's a song, pre-climax song.
సో మేము మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ లొకేషన్స్ చూస్తాము ఆన్ స్క్రీన్.
Yeah, you will. Even though we personally didn't get to enjoy the location much because we were shooting non-stop for the time we were there. Towards the end, last day oka roju కూర్చున్నాం, and then we were like, "Arey, we should come here just to chill oksari, not to shoot." Because it was such a beautiful, this location was also something very specific that from the time of narration he told me that we have to go to Italy and shoot in, there's a place called Cinque Terre, which are really small villages, stunning, 5 villages, and he was like, we have to shoot there, and it's not a song, it's not a duet, it's nothing, it's part of the mood of the character, and it was very necessary for the character to go there, and we did it. We went to Cinque Terre and shot. So.
సందీప్ గారు, మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 3 roles ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు ఈ ఫిల్మ్లో, యాజ్ అ రైటర్, యాజ్ అ డైరెక్టర్, అండ్ ఆల్సో బీయింగ్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ప్రొడ్యూసర్. సో వాజ్ ఇట్ ఎ లిటిల్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు హ్యాండిల్ 3 different roles for the same film?
Painful, at times very painful, to be very frank, but it's satisfying. I mean, there's nobody to stop me, to tell me, don't put this poster or don't cut this teaser. ఆ విషయాలు చూస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీ హ్యాండ్ దొరికింది. But there are other things like కొంచెం tough times. But we had fun in the tough times also. But I would say, because since I wrote the story, it was one way easy to produce because you know where to spend, what to spend. But in that also, like, we face little hurdles. But
I think the creative freedom we got was completely worth it. ఎందుకంటే మేము ఏదో మాట్లాడుతుండే, we would be talking about a scene or something. Suddenly, if we all feel excited about something, we would do it. We don't have to run it through someone, or there's no one to say, లేదు, this is not the trend, ఇది ఫార్మాట్ కాదు, ఇలా చేయండి, ఇది వద్దు. If what we thought, like the pre-teaser that you saw, suddenly he had that idea, we were sitting and having lunch. He had that idea and he said, itla cheddam. And then we were like, yeah, I got really excited, the heroine got really excited. We decided, let's do it.
Yeah.
That's it. So we don't have to, normally people would say, enduku itla pre-teaser, or you're just talking to camera, let's do something more. So it's just about, we know the story. So మా ముగ్గురికి నచ్చితే that's it. We just do it. Like from the workshop video to the poster to pre-teaser to teaser, everything, we just feel excited by an idea. We do it. And I think that's very liberating. Because if you like something and to be able to do it and let the world see your taste. This is like our taste. That pre-teaser was my taste. That poster or everything is our taste. That's really nice to share with the world.
ఈ మూవీ టీజర్ చూస్తేనండి కొంచెం కొద్దిగా హార్ష్ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఒక యంగ్స్టర్ బూజింగ్, అంటే ఇలాంటివన్నీ, అంటే ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ని పోర్ట్రే చేస్తున్నారు కదా. సో మీకు సెన్సార్ నుంచి ఎట్లాంటి
See, what happens is when somebody is aggressive, he will not talk in a smooth language.
Yeah.
There will be cuss language. Everybody, you, me, everybody will use. అట్లా అని చెప్పి జనాలు యూజ్ చేసేదంతా సినిమాలో పెట్టలేదు. బట్ ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ నీడెడ్. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు సెన్సార్ ఈస్ టు సర్టిఫై ఎ ఫిల్మ్. వెల్ సర్టిఫై. లుకింగ్ ఎట్ ద కంటెంట్ అండ్ ఇంటెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద కంటెంట్. ఇది ఎందుకు ఇట్లా పోస్ట్ అవుతుంది అనేది if they understand it, then they'll certify it accordingly.
I think because it's based on something that happened really, and every scene is so real, we had to keep it real. Like imagine some guy talks on the road. If me and my mom are going, వాడు మా మమ్మీతో నీ రూడ్గా మాట్లాడింది అనుకోండి, I won't tell him shut up. I will use other language to express if I feel angry. In real life, you don't talk in like, please don't say this. అట్లా మాట్లాడడం, మనకి ఆ మూమెంట్లో ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తే అట్లా మాట్లాడడం. సో of course we didn't try to overdo it, but wherever it seemed like it was extremely necessary, it was put. And I think we hope that the censor board will understand the relevance and the importance it is for that particular scene to feel the character's pain or why he's saying it. I think they'll understand it, and that's the explanation we'll have to give to them, and we'll see. Also, about the alcohol or the alcohol scenes in the teaser, I think lots of guys, most will understand that sometimes when they're not in the right space, head load due to situations in life, may be a professional or personal. Somehow lots of people tend to go like use alcohol to compensate, to numb down the pain, or for whatever reason they use it. And when we are using this guy did it in his life. From what story we took it, that person went through all of that. It was not the best time in his life where he was using a lot of alcohol and doing stuff that was not necessarily good for his health. But our phase of life lo unnadu chesadu, and I think because the story is like that, we had to show what this guy was going through and what he did and how he came out of it, of course, in the end.
Yeah, especially when you're creating an aura for a realistic kind of love story, itonti tappo cuss language, snorting, smoking.
అంతే కదండి. అంటే ఒక అబ్బాయి ఇలా అన్న అబ్బాయి లవ్లో ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అయిపోతాడు మళ్ళీ. జనరల్గా మనం లవ్ స్టోరీస్ చూస్తుంటాం ఇప్పుడు దాకా. సో మేబీ దర్ ఇస్ అ స్కోప్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం దట్ హీ గెట్స్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ టు
that we'll see in the film.
That's what I'm saying. I'm forcing the film on the story on a general line. And ఈ మూవీలో అంటే లవ్ అంటే జనరల్గా బ్రేకప్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో అట్లాంటి బ్రేకప్స్
Then you have to reveal the story.
No, we are waiting for the movie. So మూవీలో చూస్తాం అది. So when coming back to the team that you worked with, మీ ఫస్ట్ మూవీ, మీకు you might be having a very big team. ఇలా కోఆర్డినేట్ చేసుకోవడం ఎంతమందిని, how challenging it was for you?
No, it is a process. It was challenging, but we got it through. I mean, it was good finally. Our DOP is Tota Raju. Okay. Music is Radan. Lyrics Anand Sriram garu. Shrestha ano ammayi rastunna paata Rambabu Ratanraju. And editor is a new guy, Shashank. And my brother is producing. Okay. So my brother is not around, he lives in US. Okay. So in a way, like, we inform on phone, and he knew what's happening. And the entire monetary part, my father and my best friend is looking after. Okay. So it went cool. So it was not like what I'm spending. I was aware of it, but there are two people, my friend and my father, they are looking after everything. So it went cool. Okay. But challenge was there definitely, because we shot where and all we shot. I mean, if you see Italy, Munich, Mussoorie, there are where and all we shot, like most of it are like virgin locations. Mangalore also, like, we shot in many different places. But for this we have traveled all these places to create that that realistic effect of somebody falling in love and No, it's a story of 5 years. So that is the reason you see him in all different get-ups and all, with beard, short hair, without beard, long hair. So yeah.
So Vijay, what kind of efforts that you have put before the film? Meri character lo undadaniki ena homework chesara?
Most effort had to be put in like the physical transformation aspect. We planned it in the country. It was covering like a 4-5 year journey of this guy, his story between these 5 years, what happened to him. I had to go through a physical transformation in terms of externally, the hair, the beard. So college apart nunchi, once he's a surgeon, and through his bad phase, his good phase, everything is all journey. So he planned it, we had to do it in a particular way. We had to start it with one look, with the long hair and beard look, and then slowly go to the boy look. And physically also I had to look much more, when people are drinking a lot of alcohol, not eating much and just spending all their time brooding, they're not the fittest. So I had to look much more skinnier and paler, which we tried to a decent level. And then in the college phase, he's a college kid who's playing sport and studying, so I had to look much fitter for that. So achieving this was the major thing. Sandeep explained very detailedly the emotion. So once when it's coming from a real space, you know exactly what this character is going through and stuff. So that way, that was easy to do. It was just emotionally draining on a lot of days. I would be in this whenever we shot that whole portion with a bearded look.
One especially.
Yeah, it was quite one whole segment of the movie is emotionally high. So that every shoot and tarvata I would be emotionally drained. I would be very moody during that segment.
The teaser lo chusanu, he's also into sports person la kuda chubincharu meru. So Arjun Reddy is
it's a minor aspect of the film, but he's a football player for his college team.
మీరు ఏదైనా మీ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఏదైనా స్పోర్ట్స్?
No, I love sports. Sports is a very important part of my life. Even to this day, and prati Saturday వెళ్ళి వాలీబాల్ ఆడతాను compulsory. Whatever is I'll miss a few things, but I need to go play something. I think it keeps my head clear and keeps me feeling happy. So sports has always been and is a very important part of my life. So I really enjoyed, even though I don't play football personally, I'm more cricket, volleyball, badminton type thing. But I really enjoyed, we had a 2-day rehearsal where he got a football team to come and play. And they trained me in all the basic aspects. And I watch football, so I know how it works.
So మీ film USP?
For me, it's real. It's love. I think that's it, man. It's extremely real, and it's love, and it's anyone who has been in love, anyone who has ever loved, will completely understand the film and will love the film.
Actually, never thought about this question. What would be the USP of a film?
Yeah.
So everything I think might have counted for your film. Music అయి ఉండొచ్చు, అన్నీ బాగా కలిసి ఉంటాయి మీ మూవీకి.
అట్లా కలవాలి. అట్లా కలిస్తేనే it will look nice on the screen. That's a major part actually. That's where we need to direct and put things together. అనుకుంటాం కలిసి అనే బాగానే.
Yeah.
3 things that if I have to say, ఈ మూవీలో 3 things that are most memorable for you. అంటే being it first film for you. And
for me, the content itself is extremely memorable. The story is extremely memorable. I'm really happy with the casting he did and the performances he's got. So I think people will love the performances because you'll forget that it's a performance. You will be part of this story. I think that will be something that's memorable. And also I think how completely honest we were. There's no hypocrisy to it. మా రిలేషన్షిప్లో ఎట్లుంటామో, lots of people relationships, imagine no one is watching you. how would you be with your girlfriend? We showed that on screen. I'm not necessarily saying about the physical aspect, like ever చూస్తుంటే not in that base anta cheap level lo kaadu, but how would you talk to someone if no one's watching? If you have an argument, how would you argue? గొడవ పడితే ఎట్లా గొడవ పడతారు, తిట్టుకుంటే ఎట్లా తిట్టుకుంటారు, బాధపడితే ఎట్లా పడతారు, ప్రేమిస్తే ఎట్లా చేస్తారు. So how we would be in real life when we are with the person we love, that's what we showed without thinking are idi chupiyoddu. Some things we don't in front of our parents, for example, some things cheyamemo, but in a relationship there are stuff that you say or talk or whatever, we just showed it as is. And I'm really happy that without freely we just showed as things as they are.
When we are narrating a script to an artist, వాళ్ళు వినే పద్ధతిలో తెలిసిపోతుంది. Because I narrated like 4 hours ago, Vijay narrated.
Yeah.
Vijay, Shalini, Radan. వాళ్ళు వినే విధానంలో తెలిసిపోతుంది what kind of an artist they are, because we are all artists, right? So Radan కూడా కథ చెప్పేటప్పుడు I told him like almost like 4.5 hours in detail, like how it has to be, what I want, what you can give on that basis. Radan వాడు చూసి వినే విధానంలో అర్థమైపోయింది, this guy will give me the best music అని.
అంత ముందు ఫిలిమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి.
ఎవడే సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం, మందాల రాక్షసి.
సో
ఆడియో a couple of weeks probably.
సో అర్జున్ రెడ్డి టీజర్ చూసినప్పటి నుంచి చాలా చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకున్నాను. సో మీరిద్దరూ వచ్చి మాకు ఇన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పారు, మాకు మా వ్యూయర్స్కి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ విషింగ్ యూ ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. అండ్ వి విష్ మీరు అనుకున్న సక్సెస్, మీ విజన్, మీరు ఏదైతే స్టోరీ అనుకున్నారో అది మా అందరికీ బాగా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి వి విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్.
Thank you so much.
And a small gesture, we are taking a Go Green initiative. So thank you so much for coming.
Lovely. I really like this.
Thank you so much.
I hate bouquets.
Thank you.
Yeah, నాకు bouquet liste తిక్కలేస్తుంది. But this is really beautiful.
Take it. Thanks.
I think I should just apologize to any viewers. కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడినాం. So for anyone who didn't follow anything or something, అలవాటు అయిపోయింది ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడి కొంచెం వి ట్రైడ్ అండ్ డిడ్ అవర్ బెస్ట్. బట్ జనరలీ జనాలు ఫీల్ అవుతుంటారు మాట్లాడకపోతే, బట్ వి ట్రైడ్ అండ్ డిడ్ అవర్ బెస్ట్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు క్లాప్బోర్డ్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్.
Hello, this is Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Please subscribe Clapboard Productions.
సో అర్జున్ రెడ్డి గురించి చాలా చాలా విషయాలు మనం హీరో గారిని అలాగే డైరెక్టర్ గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకున్నాము. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక సెలబ్రిటీ తోటి మేము ముందుంటాను. క్లాసిక్ టైమ్స్ విత్ ప్రవీణ.
It was a fantastic film for Chiranjeevi Garu's comeback. Vinay Garu is first of all a very very organized director.
ఎప్పుడు మొదలైంది?
చాలా కష్టాలు పడ్డామండి. చెప్పాలంటే దొంగచాడి ఫంక్షన్ హాల్స్కి వెళ్ళి తినేవాళ్ళు.
ఈ కౌగిలి అర్థం, ఈ చీకటి శబ్దం నా చెవిలో చెప్పెను.